Small space, big impact, genius side yard landscaping ideas you'll love. Transforming your side yard into a stunning space is a fantastic way to enhance home's curb appeal and create a beautiful garden oasis, even in a small area. With the right small landscaping techniques, you can turn this often overlooked area into a functional and inviting part of your home. Here are some creative landscaping tips to inspire your side yard design. Vertical gardens for space-saving solutions. When dealing with a small garden, vertical gardening is an excellent strategy. Install wall planters or trellises adorned with climbing plants to maximize your space. This not only adds greenery but also creates a visually appealing backdrop. Consider using herbs or flowering vines to enhance your outdoor design while providing practical benefits. Layered planting for visual depth. One of the most effective side yard ideas is to implement layered planting. Select plants of varying heights, from low-growing ground covers to taller shrubs, to create an eye-catching display. This technique adds depth and dimension to your small space landscaping, making it feel more expansive. Pair vibrant flowers with lush foliage to ensure year-round interest and garden inspiration. Functional pathways and seating areas. Incorporate pathways made of natural stone or decorative gravel to guide visitors through your side yard. These walkways can lead to cozy seating areas, perfect for enjoying morning coffee or evening relaxation. By adding durable outdoor furniture, you enhance the functionality of your space while contributing to the overall home improvement aesthetic. Decorative lighting for ambience. Lighting is a crucial element in outdoor design that can transform your side yard after sunset. Use string lights, lanterns, or solar-powered garden lights to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Not only does this improve the usability of your small garden in the evenings, but it also adds an enchanting touch to your landscaping decor, making it a perfect retreat. Artistic features and focal points. Incorporate unique, artistic features such as sculptures, water features, or decorative birdhouses to serve as focal points in your side yard. These creative landscaping elements draw the eye and provide a sense of personality to your outdoor space. Choose pieces that reflect your personal style and harmonize with the surrounding flora, enhancing both visual appeal and tranquility. By implementing these innovative side yard ideas, you can effectively elevate your small space landscaping while ensuring your garden remains a source of inspiration and beauty. Embrace these landscaping tips to create a captivating outdoor environment that complements your home and reflects your personal taste. Whether you seek relaxation or a vibrant garden scene, these solutions will surely leave a lasting impact. When it comes to small space landscaping, the side yard often remains an overlooked gem waiting to be transformed. With a little creativity and strategic planning, you can turn this narrow stretch into an enchanting outdoor retreat that enhances your home's overall aesthetic. Here are some innovative side yard ideas that will not only elevate your curb appeal but also offer functional space-saving solutions. Vertical gardens. One of the most effective landscaping tips for small gardens is to think vertically. By incorporating trellises or wall-mounted planters, you can maximize your available space while adding an eye-catching element. Climbing plants like ivy or flowering vines can create a lush backdrop, providing both privacy and aesthetic appeal. Pathways and pavers. Creating a winding path through your side yard can transform an ordinary space into a charming passageway. Using materials like natural stone, bricks, or decorative gravel not only adds texture but also guides visitors through your garden. Consider integrating small seating areas along the way to encourage relaxation and enjoyment of your outdoor design. Container gardening. For those limited on ground space, container gardening offers a versatile way to introduce greenery and color. Use various pot sizes and heights to create visual interest. Grouping containers together can also create a mini garden effect, allowing for a diverse array of plants without taking up too much room. Outdoor lighting. Enhance your side yard's ambience with well-placed outdoor lighting. String lights, solar-powered lanterns, or spotlights can highlight key features of your garden decor while making the space usable at night. This will not only improve the overall outdoor design but also make your home feel more welcoming. Functional features. Consider incorporating functional elements that can double as landscaping. A small bench, a water feature, or a decorative fence can serve both practical and aesthetic purposes. Such features can enhance the usability of your side yard while contributing to its overall charm. In conclusion, transforming your side yard into a stunning landscape doesn't require a large area. With the right garden inspiration, thoughtful home improvement strategies, and a bit of creativity, you can create a beautiful outdoor space that reflects your personal style. Embrace these creative landscaping ideas and watch as your small garden becomes a big source of pride.